たまらなく愛しているからもう一度生まれ変わったら私の名を呼んでください寒さに震える夜も流れる涙紡ぐ夜ももう一度生まれ変わったらあなたを決して話はしない私の胸の中へ帰っておいで気高いあなたの勇気を抱きしめたいひそやかな海に咲いた白い花たちが今私の体に折り重なる Close your eyes 瞳を閉じればあなたが私に微笑みかけるよClose your eyes 瞳を閉じれば希望へ駆け上るあなたが永遠に生きている
What is up, guys? Asians, let's play 1-for-1 here, and the only reason why I posted this video in the first place is 1. I wanted a video that had nothing to do with technology except for the fact that I'm recording something, and second of all, one day, the only reason why I thought of this in the first place was I took a walk because I was like all day inside my house, and you know, I don't like going outside. If it's too cold outside, I don't want to go outside, or if it's too if it's too hot outside, I don't want to go outside. But it was kind of like in between. It was cloudy, but it wasn't cold kind of thing. So I decided to go outside, and I walked in a nearby forest park. Even though, like, if you think of a park, there would be a play structure, a soccer field. No, it's like a forest area park. While I was walking, it's very rare for people to think nature is pretty beautiful, so I decided, why not post a nature video? I'm not gonna go all hippie on you guys. No offense to the hippies out there. I'm not making fun of you. I actually agree with you how beautiful nature is. So I decided to make a video about nature, and I might keep on doing this, except change it up a little and call it a series called Asians. I came up with the title. I'll come back to that, but yeah, the only reason why was stayed outside. I walked a few rounds around the park. It's not that big of a park, unless if you venture off onto the dirt trails, which I don't want to, but yeah. So, here you guys go. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later in the next video. Peace. あなたが永遠に生きている